Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a free teacher account using the Nearpod platform. It's really easy and simple to set up. To start, you're going to go to the Nearpod homepage at nearpod.com. Up in the right hand corner, you're going to see a green button that says sign up for free. There's also one right here in the middle of the screen. We're going to click on that button. They're going to ask you for your first and last name and an email address, and they're going to have you make a password. I would suggest using a school email address. So we will set up an account now, just so you can see what that looks like. It'll make you confirm that you're not a robot, and you also have to confirm that you are over 13 years old in order to sign up. It'll ask you what your role in the classroom is, and then it takes you right to the dashboard. Once you're in here, there is a button that if you click on this, it will give you a preview as to how it works. You can explore lessons that the Nearpod platform has to offer. There's a lesson builder. The Nearpod library is where all of the resources are that teachers already have made up that you can use in your interactive lessons. All you have to do to create a lesson is go to the Create button. You can choose from lessons, videos, or you can even use Google Slides. I know a lot of us already have those made, and you're able to put those right into your lessons. Over here is reports, where you can see individual student reports and see how they're doing, which is really valuable and can help you come up with a plan for what you're going to teach in future lessons. Your students will need a code to get into your lessons, but when you create a lesson, you'll be given the option to create that code. So it's as easy as that to get started and get in. Very user-friendly, and I hope this helps.